guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Fall Food Friday. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Cooking. Today I will be sharing my soup recipe. I am making a fall minestrone soup. Without the noodles, I will give you an option how to add the noodles. There might be a little bit noisy from the kids, but just to give you a heads up. So if you don't know what Full Friday is, it is a Moss Family TV hosted, and Fallon invites anybody who wants to participate on Fridays to share a recipe. There are no rules of what kind of recipe or a certain order. I am, however, doing, last week I did breakfast. Today I'm sharing lunch. Next week I'm gonna be doing main dish and then a dessert the following Friday. So without further ado, come along, and don't forget also to check out the playlist link down below for all the other ladies that are participating. So here are all the ingredients that I will be using. So you need 2 medium carrots. I am also adding celery, it's not necessary. Then you need a medium yellow onion, some olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, then 6 cups of vegetable broth. You also need 2.5 cups of Yukon Gold. I only have Rosette, so that's what I'm using. And then you also need butternut squash. I'm not doing butternut squash because we're not crazy how sweet it is. So I'm just gonna throw in, I have a little bit of cauliflower left over, so I'm going to throw that in. Then you need a medium zucchini, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of some white or red kidney beans. I am doing the white kidney beans. Then you need some salt, pepper, bay leaf, oregano, thyme, and I have fresh rosemary. This is the only thing that I haven't frozen yet from my garden. And then you could also use, then you need kale. So you also need some chopped up kale and some Parmesan to garnish at the end. And you will also, the recipe that I'm gonna share in the description box calls for some pasta. Specifically, it calls for, I'm just trying to find the ditalini pasta. I am not adding that. However, for my kids, I will cook it separately, boil it separately, and then I will just add it to their plate and put the soup over. The reason for that is because there's already potatoes and my husband does low carb. This will cut down on the amount of carbs that are in the soup if there's no pasta. So I'm going to get all of my veggies prepped and everything measured out, and then I'll come back. So I am preheating the oil now, and I'm going to add my onions, carrots, and celery. And I will saute it for about 3 minutes. So here are my onions. My celery. And my carrots. Now I'm going to add some garlic, 3 cloves. So now I'm gonna add my broth. And my potatoes, my cauliflower, zucchini, tomatoes, and then I need 1 teaspoon of oregano, two bay leaves, teaspoon of thyme, some rosemary, I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm gonna reduce the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. So the soup had come to a boil. Now I'm just going to cover it and turn down the heat to a simmer and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So I had simmered it. Now I'm gonna add the beans and kale and cook for about 5 minutes. Just until kale's wilted. So here it is, all done, and I just shredded some Parmesan on top. I would like to thank Pound for hosting this collab. Make sure to check out the playlist, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing. I do these type of videos often, as well as what's for dinners, and there's lots of holiday content coming your way. So make sure the notification bell is on. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.